Welcome to this new episode, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change alarm volume on iPhone. So if your alarm ring volume is too low or is too high for your consumption, you can easily adjust this sound to a certain percentage that you can easily accommodate while on sleep or your desired alarm sound. So to adjust or change your alarm volume on your iPhone, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings, just scroll up and click on sound and haptics. Once you click on that, then you should see ringtone and alert. You can see I have my iPhone alarm volume set to the maximum. You can just adjust this. You see that? To wherever you want it to be. So all you need to do is adjust this alarm volume slider to suit your need. So once you are satisfied with this, you just need to hit the back button, and there is nothing else you need to do. So if this is helpful, if you want to learn about that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.